Alright, listen. Open a new tab right now and go to zapier.com. When the page loads, you'll see a big button in the top right that says Sign Up. Click it. You'll see options to sign up with Google, Microsoft, or email. Pick whichever one you want. If you go with Google, it's literally one click and you're in. If you use email, type it in, create a password, and click Continue. That's it. You're done. You now have a free Zapier account. Don't close that tab. Leave it open because I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool to automate tasks that are eating up hours of your week. No coding, no tech degree, just simple automation that actually works. Now let's talk about what this tool actually is. So what is Zapier? Simply put, it's a tool that connects different apps and makes them communicate with each other automatically. Think of it like a digital assistant that watches for something to happen in one app, then does something in another app because of it. No manual work, no copy pasting, no switching between 12 tabs. Here's an example. Let's say someone fills out a Google form on your website. Normally, you'd have to check that form, copy their information, paste it into a spreadsheet, maybe send them an email, and add them to your CRM. That's 5 minutes per person. Now, imagine 10 people fill it out. That's almost an hour of repetitive work. Zapier does all of that for you automatically. Someone fills out the form, Zapier grabs the information, puts it in your spreadsheet, sends the email, and updates your CRM. Done. You didn't touch anything. Now, why does this matter if you're broke or stuck? Because time is the one thing you can't buy back. If you're trying to start a side hustle, run a small business, or just get organized, you're probably doing everything yourself. You're the marketer, the customer service rep, the data entry person. And all those little tasks add up. They drain your energy. They make you feel busy but not productive. Zapier gives you leverage. It's like hiring an assistant, except it's free for basic tasks and it works 24/7. You set it up once and it runs in the background indefinitely. That's why this tool is powerful for beginners. You don't need money, you don't need a team. You just need to spend 20 minutes learning how it works, and suddenly you have automation working for you. All right, let's build your first Zap. A Zap is simply Zapier's word for an automation. It has two parts, a trigger and an action. The trigger is what starts it, and the action is what happens next. Here's the simplest one I can show you. We're going to connect Gmail to Google Sheets. Every time you get an email with a specific label, Zapier will log it in a spreadsheet. That's it. Super basic, but you'll see how the system works. Go to your Zapier dashboard and click Create Zap in the top left. You'll see a blank workflow. First, pick a trigger. Click where it says trigger. Search for Gmail and select it. Now choose the trigger event. New labeled email. That means Zapier will watch for any email you label in a certain way. Click Continue. Now Zapier is going to ask you to connect your Gmail account. Just click Sign in with Google, pick your account, and give it permission. Next, choose which label to watch for. Let's say you have a label called Important. Pick that, or create one right now if you don't have it. Click Continue. Zapier will pull a test email to make sure it's working. You'll see the email subject, sender, and other details. Perfect. That's your trigger done. Now for the action. Click Action. Search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. Click Continue. Connect your Google account the same way you did with Gmail. Now pick the spreadsheet you want to use. If you don't have one, open Google Sheets, create a blank sheet, and name it email log, or whatever you like. Go back to Zapier, refresh, and select it. Then pick the worksheet, probably sheet 1. You'll see fields such as email subject, from, and date. These come from the Gmail trigger. Map them accordingly. In the first column, insert subject. Second column, from. Third column, date. Click test to make sure it works. Zapier will send a test row to your spreadsheet. Now go check your sheet. If you see that row appear, congratulations, you've just built your first automation. That's your first real taste of automation magic. Click publish in the top right. Your Zap is live. Now, every time you label an email as important, it will automatically log into that spreadsheet. You didn't write code. You didn't hire anyone. You just built an automation in 5 minutes. So how is Zapier different from tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? Those are AI assistants. You talk to them, they talk back. They generate text, answer questions, and help you brainstorm. They're reactive. You have to ask them to do something each time. Zapier is proactive. You set it up once and it works without you. It doesn't generate ideas or write emails. It moves data, triggers actions, and connects tools. It's about automation, not conversation. Think of it this way. ChatGPT helps you write an email. Zapier sends that email automatically when someone fills out a form. ChatGPT helps you draft a social media post. Zapier posts it to multiple platforms at once when you save it in a Google Doc. The other big difference is that Zapier connects to over 7,000 apps: Gmail, Slack, Trello, Shopify, WordPress, Airtable, Stripe, and more. ChatGPT can't log into your Gmail and move files around. Claude can't pull data from your e-commerce store and send it to your accounting software. Zapier can. If AI assistants are like smart coworkers you talk to, Zapier is like the IT specialist who makes all your systems communicate. Both are useful, but Zapier saves you time in a completely different way. It removes repetitive tasks and gives you back hours every week. For someone starting out with no budget, that's huge. Let's talk about what you can actually use Zapier for. No fluff, just real examples. 1. Lead management. If you're running any kind of business or side hustle, people are reaching out, maybe through a contact form, an email, or DMs. Zapier can automatically take that information and drop it into a spreadsheet or a CRM like HubSpot or Notion. It can even send you a text. You'll never lose a lead because you forgot to check your inbox. 2. Content distribution. Let's say you write a blog post or record a video. You want it on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and maybe in a newsletter. Normally, you'd post it manually on each platform. With Zapier, you post it once, for example, to a Google Doc or RSS feed, and Zapier distributes it everywhere else automatically. Same content, multiple platforms, zero extra work. 3. Task and project tracking. If you're managing a team or just yourself, Zapier can watch your email or Slack for specific keywords and automatically create tasks in Trello, Asana, or Todoist. Someone says urgent in a message, task created. You say follow up in an email, reminder set for next week. 4. Data backup and logging. Ever lose something important because you didn't save it? Zapier can automatically back it up. Every time you receive an important email attachment, it can save it to Dropbox or Google Drive. Every time someone submits a form, it can log the data in multiple places. You'll always have a backup without lifting a finger. These aren't flashy, but they make your daily life smoother. You'll stop feeling like you're drowning in small tasks. You'll have systems that run themselves. And when you're broke or just starting out, that kind of efficiency is everything. It means you can focus on the work that actually moves the needle instead of wasting time on admin tasks. Let's do one more Zap, a bit more advanced this time. We're going to set up a system where anytime someone emails you at a specific address, Zapier automatically adds them to a Google Sheet and sends them a thank you reply. This is perfect for collecting emails for a newsletter, waitlist, or small business. Go back to your Zapier dashboard and click Create Zap. For the trigger, search for Gmail again, but this time choose New Email Matching Search. Click Continue. In the search field, type something like to.youremail@gmail.com, subject.subscribe, or whatever keyword you want people to use. This tells Zapier to only watch for emails sent to you with that subject line. Click Continue and test it. If you don't have a test email, send yourself one quickly with that subject. Zapier will pull it. Perfect. Now for the actions. First, we'll log their email in a spreadsheet. Click Action, search for Google Sheets, and choose Create Spreadsheet Row. Pick your spreadsheet, map the fields: email address, date, subject. Test it to make sure the row appears in your sheet. Next, add a second action. Click the plus button below your first action. Search for Gmail again and choose Send Email. In the To field, map the email address from the trigger. In the subject field, type Thanks for subscribing. In the body, write a short message such as, Hi, thanks for reaching out. I'll keep you updated. Talk soon. You can even use their name if the email included it. Just map that field. Click Test to confirm it works, then click Publish. Now, every time someone emails you with that subject line, they'll automatically be logged and sent a reply, and you won't have to do a thing. This kind of automation makes people think you're far more organized than you actually are. And honestly, that's the point. Zapier helps you look like you have everything under control, even when you're still figuring it out. Here's the system. Pick one repetitive task you do every day: logging emails, saving attachments, posting to social media, tracking leads, whatever it is. Build one Zap for it. Just one. Spend 20 minutes today and set it up. Next week, pick another task and build another Zap. Keep doing that. In a month, you'll have several automations running quietly in the background, and you'll realize you're getting back hours of your week. This tool won't fix your life. It's not magic, but it can give you clarity and save you time. And when you're broke, stuck, or overwhelmed, time is the most valuable thing you have. So go try it today. Automate one thing this week. Just one. Because the difference between people who talk about productivity and people who have it is a Zap. You've got this.